The CSW is, in short, it's the largest service center in North America. We work on projects for customer base all across the USA. We ship around between 1,200 to 1,300 tools to customers each month.
Right here, we're in the central service workshop. It's the biggest workshop in the US. We do, upwards of 1,200 tools every month shipped out. We work on anything from 1 newton meter tool all the way up to 8,000 newton meters, quote, repair and calibration.
Where we take in all the tools that need repairing that maybe can't be done in their location because they don't have the expertise or the tools or the right equipment, and we take care of that here. We have our trained expert repair technicians take care of that, and we send it back to where they need to be put on the line and put things together.
Repair, calibration on tools, working for many manufacturers, fixing and repairing and calibrating is the main thing.
We keep the industrial engine of America running by keeping these tools working.
It's one of the largest workshops we have in North America with some of our most skilled technicians. The workshop we're in now, the CSW, is pretty much the shop that works on every customer's tools that we have in North America.
The CSW is where all of the ideas are formulated for what we do in training and how we can actually bring those ideas to life.
They work on all the tools that we ship in. So any of the TMCs or companies that have tools that don't have a TMC on site, they will ship tools here. They will repair the tools, send quotes, calibrate them, send them back out. And this is kind of a one-stop shop for all the tools from repair to calibration.